These types of aluminium shields are best when guarding areas when spray painting, but in this case it does well covering the flooring when painting skirting boards. So to bring back life on the skirting boards, I'm going to use Dulux White Gloss Quick Dry. Feed the paint with the foam roller, slightly hand sand the skirting board, align the shield right below the skirting board, then simply roll on. This is much more easier and a time saver than applying masking tape everywhere. Slightly lift and align the shield to paint the bottom of the skirting board. You can see for yourself guys, there is no paint on the carpet. This works well on laminate flooring too. Job done. Take care. Peace.